Yo, yo, yo. Hello, friends. My name is Eric, and I'm starting a new venture here on a new YouTube channel called Cryptomania. And I'll be introducing you to different platforms that I'm invested in. And hope we'll have a good venture together. I've been doing crypto for about 2.5 years, learned a lot, and I started to think that I should do a YouTube channel so I can share my success with you guys. So that's what I'm doing. And I will start with a system that I'm in for about, I would say, 3 months or so. The company is called The Future Trade. They do investing in crypto and forex market. Okay, I'm just scrolling here. You can see they do forex trading. I'll obviously share the link and you can do the same. They do forex trading and cryptocurrency trading, and they actually do the investing for us. That means, they have professional traders sitting next to screens 5 days a week. So that means we get paid 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and we are generating very good rewards daily on those days. So let me start by going to the investment part. Of course, we all want to know that. And they have 4 investment programs called Starter, Banker, Financer, and Entrepreneur. The one that most likely most of us will start in, minimum deposit $50 in cryptocurrency. Maximum 4,999. The duration is for 200 days. We're getting daily profit of 1.4% Monday through Friday. Also, and you don't have to. You can refer and get some more commissions, 7% on that. And if you're building a large team, you get also binary. That's for you guys who know about binary system and network marketing, and the cap is at $1,000 daily on that. Now if you go on a banker, it's for 180 days, 1.6% daily, and you can see all the rest of the bonuses here on the referral and the binary. The financer is 460 days, 1.8% daily, referral 9%, and so on. And the entrepreneur is 150 days, 2% daily, and you can see the amount of minimum that you invest on each package that you want to come in. So, what else about this wonderful company? They've been in existence for over 2 years, 25 months to be exact. Never missed a payment. You can check out yourself if we go to the media here. We'll go to the videos. They have all kinds of videos they promote. You have like people who are in the system who vouch for the company. All the withdrawals they do. This is the CEO here. You can look it up yourself. They are located in. They're sitting in the Seychelles. Let's see here. This is the legal part. Let me show you here. Actually, the corporation sits in Marshall Islands, okay? But they have also representation in Singapore, Seychelles, and United Kingdom. And the documentation here for the legality, of course, you can check it out yourself. I didn't state that, but I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I did my own research. It looked great to me, so I decided to invest, obviously. And you do your own due diligence and never risk what you can't afford to lose, of course, in any venture that you're into. They have a YouTube channel you can check out, and you can see all the testimonials from people. Okay, this goes all the way back. We go down 2 years ago, right here. So this wonderful company keeps on going and going and going. You can check out. They have all kinds of tutorials here. This is their team here. Let's see. Okay. and you can check it out yourself. And what else I'm going to show you here is I'm going to log on to the system so you can see yourself. So this is me. I invested more money, total of $303. Okay. They have different wallets, so I'll explain here. There's a revenue wallet and there's a service wallet. The revenue wallet is actually your own investment, and the 1.4% daily, they go in here. The service wallet, I'll go back on the revenue wallet. Revenue wallet, you can basically take out your profits once a week. That will be on a Thursday. Okay, Thursday. You'll get a nice reminder a day before to your email once you registered, and you can take out your profits. Now, the profits, there's a minimum withdrawal amount. Depends what kind of cryptocurrency. USDT Tether is $50. Other coins is a lower amount, but the minimum, let's say it's about $50. Okay, so right now I'm stacking up. I'm at almost $30. I'm getting something like four something dollars a day. So I'm not sure. I have to do calculation if I'll hit the 50 on Thursday, but if I won't, then I'll have to wait for the week after. Now, the service wallet is a wallet which is basically all the people that are signed up under me. So if you like this content and you'd like to sign up under me, I'll be more than happy, of course. So on the service wallet, you can withdraw anytime. There's no limit on the days. There's also minimum amount of 50, but you can withdraw anytime. Okay, if you invest a larger amount and bring more people, obviously this number is going to grow faster. And you can see here my total earnings. You can see my total withdrawals. So obviously I'm in a profit since I also have an affiliation here. And there's all kinds of report. You can see here revenue report, referral income report, binary income report, and I'll show you my withdrawal report here. And you can see all the times that I basically made withdrawals to my wallet. And also you can see they have an invoice where you can actually see the details. Now, also important thing I didn't say is the company is taking a 6% charge on your investment and your withdrawal. This is part of their profit, so they'll be profitable, and so they can pay us for a long time. And you can see here the list. So if I go back to my dashboard, I want to say another thing. You need to go through KYC, know your customer. This is a legal company, and you have to upload ID or passport and also a proof of residence. It's pretty easy to explain. I already did that, so it doesn't show here. But once you go here to profile and KYC verification, you will see all the details. Okay, this is the genealogy tree. This is if you're a builder. It's set up pretty nicely. Let me go back here. Okay, and here you can see the whole tree basically. So going back here, also there's different languages you can choose here, many different languages. And if you go down the list, you can see that I've binary system is left leg and right leg, left business, right business. You can see how it works out for me. So again, if you're a builder, that's the way to go. If you just like to invest your own money, not even talk to anybody, it's fine too. You'll make you 1.4% or higher, depends on the amount you put in. And there you go. So this is a quick intro of the future trade, and I hope that you like it, and I hope that we will share our continuous adventure with the different project that I will be showing you throughout the days. And so you guys have a great day. Again, I have to repeat, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this on my own. I did my own research. You should do your own research yourself and never risk what you can't afford to lose. So that being said, have a great day and we'll talk soon.